Seva and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we're going to be talking all about starvation mode. Is it real? Is it fake? I don't know, we'll find out. But before we get into the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss another one of my videos. Alright, let's get into it. Okay, so is starvation mode real or fake? Well, when you lose weight, this causes many physical and mental health benefits, but your body is so focused on making sure you're not starving that it doesn't always look at weight loss as a positive thing. When you lose a lot of weight, what your body does is it tries to conserve energy. So how does it do this? Well, what your body does is it reduces the amount of calories that it burns, which will slow down your weight loss. It can also make you feel hungrier, lazier, and increase food cravings, which can make you gain weight. Now, this starvation mode is your brain's natural mechanism to protect you from starvation. Now, this is typically called starvation mode, so yes, to answer the question, starvation mode is a real thing. In this video, we're really going to just dive into what does starvation mode really mean and how you can prevent it from happening to you. So let's dive into it. So what does starvation mode really mean? All this is your body's natural response to long-term calorie restriction. This is just how your body responds to reduced calorie intake. It reduces calorie expenditure in order to maintain energy balance and to prevent starvation. This is a completely natural physiological response. The technical scientific term is actually adaptive thermogenesis. The term starvation mode is not entirely accurate. So the 3 ways to avoid the metabolic slowdown are number 1, resistance training, number 2, high protein intake, and number 3, taking a break from your diet. A metabolic slowdown or reduced metabolic rate is completely natural, and it's just the response to a low calorie intake. Number 1, resistance training. By far, the most effective thing you can do is resistance exercise. Of course, this would include weightlifting, but body weight exercises are really good as well. Studies show that if you do resistance training, you'll maintain your metabolic rate, your muscle mass, and your strength. So while weight loss does reduce your muscle mass and your metabolic rate, resistance exercise can prevent this from happening. Number 2, high protein levels. Having a high protein intake can reduce your appetite and boost your metabolism, so that's going to be the calories in, calories out phenomenon. It can also reduce cravings, late night snacking, and calorie intake. Finally, when your protein intake is high, your body isn't going to automatically go to your muscles for energy and protein. They're going to go to that protein that you've been consuming. Number 3, taking a break from your diet. Some people already like to take a little break from their diet for a few days. If you're not on a diet, then don't worry about it. Just make sure that if you are taking a break, you are conscious of what you're eating during it. You don't want to be eating too much that you just start gaining unwanted fat. So just to sum things up, performing resistance training, keeping your protein levels high, and taking a break from your diet can reduce muscle loss and metabolic slowdown during weight loss. So to sum everything up, starvation mode is real, but it's not exactly what most people think. It can slow down your weight loss over time, but it won't necessarily make you gain weight. All starvation mode really is your body's response to either an increase or decrease in your caloric intake. The term starvation mode is misleading. Something as simple as metabolic slowdown would be more accurate. The effects of the starvation mode is just simply your body's natural physiological response. Okay, well that's all I have for this video, you guys. I hope you liked it and I hope you learned something new. Make sure to give me your feedback in the comment section below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss another one of my videos. If you want to get my exclusive nutrition tips, healthy food recommendations, and delicious recipes, make sure to head over to my description box, click the link, and join the fan. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.